Hello, welcome you all to Avbau. A vacancy notification has been published by ISRO regarding scientist or engineer post in various disciplines, and the starting date of applying online is 5th July 2023. The last date is 21st July, but not up to 11:59 pm. Generally, in most of the advertisement, the end time is given like 11:59 pm of that last date, but here it is up to 1700 hours, that is 5 pm of 21st July 2023. So please don't wait up to 21st July and try to fill up the online application form before that. Now there are two kind of posts. One is scientist or engineer SD and another is scientist or engineer SC. What does SD and SC means? These are nothing but the hierarchy of scientists in ISRO. Generally, the scientists in any organization are designated as scientist B, scientist C, scientist D as per their seniority. So here in ISRO, scientists are designated as scientist SC at their entry level. This is entry level designation. Then upon their promotion, they will get up to scientist SD post and then scientist AC, scientist SF, like that. In case of level 11 post, that is scientist SD post, there are no vacancy for MSc chemistry or PhD chemistry candidates. But if you have done MSc chemistry and after that you have done PhD in one of these areas, that is atmospheric science or space science or planetary science, then you will be able to apply for this scientist SD post. There are two vacancies. Now most of you have MSc chemistry degree. For MSc chemistry candidates, there is scientist or engineer post of level 10. The post code is 1512. This is your post code 1512 and there are total 4 UR category vacancies for scientist post. Eligibility should be MSc chemistry which have mathematics or physics as subjects as minor. So your BSc chemistry degree must have mathematics and physics as subsidiary subjects. What is the job profile exactly? This is the job profile here. I have attached this PDF's link in description, so please go through that PDF and read the job profile. Now next is some important points which I should mention to you. 21st July, which is the last date to fill up this application form, is also the last date of calculating age. The age limit of this particular post scientist SC is 28 for general category students. Now for those candidates who have not completed their MSc chemistry degree yet but are likely to complete in the academic year 2022-23, they can also apply for this post. But given that they should have their final degree certificate on or before 31st August of 2023. This is mentioned here. Now what are the other conditions? The percentage of marks. For MSc chemistry students, they should have minimum 65% marks if your university or institution award you marks in percentage. But if your institution award you marks in CGPA scale, then you must have minimum 6.84 CGPA out of 10. So these are two important criteria that you should remember. Now along with that, in BSc, in graduation in chemistry, you should have first class with aggregate minimum of 60% or 6.5 CGPA out of 10. This is also considered. Now what about posting? If you crack the job, then you will be posted permanently at VSSC, that is Vikram Sarabhai Space Research Center, which is situated at Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Next information is about age limit. I have already told you that the age limit is 28 years upper age limit for UR candidates and we have only 4 UR vacancies. So 28 is the final age limit. Next is how to apply. There are two online portals, but if you are applying for scientist or engineer SC post and your post code is 1512, then you have to go through this particular website, which is www.vssc.gov.in. Now what about application fee? Now here is a twist. All the candidates, whether he or she belongs to UR or EWS or OBC or SC, ST or women candidates or ex-servicemen or person with benchmark disabilities, they all have to first fill up the application form giving 750 rupees online application form. Now if you appear in the written test, you have to positively appear in the written test. Then these students will be refunded fully 750 rupees. So the application form for these candidates are actually zero, but they have to pay 750 rupees and will have to appear in the exam. And the candidates who belong to these categories will be refunded rupees 500. So the actual application fee for these candidates is rupees 250. But you all have to pay rupees 750 at the first time. Now next is selection process. The selection process for MSc Chemistry, which is code number 1512, there will be a written test. There will be a written test which will consist of two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A will contain 80 MCQs from core subject, that is chemistry. Each MCQ will carry a positive 1 mark for correct answer and a negative 1/3 mark for wrong answer. 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hour time will be given for this exam. And for Part B, there will be total 15 MCQs based on numerical reasoning, logical reasoning, diagrammatic reasoning, abstract reasoning and deductive reasoning. So this will be a kind of aptitude test. Total marks allotted to this test is 20 marks and there will be no negative marking. No negative marking for Part B. After written test, based upon the cutoff marks, candidates will be called for interview, final interview stage in a ratio of 1:5. So there are 4 posts in chemistry discipline. So there will be 20 candidates approximately called for interview. And after interview, the final merit list will be prepared by giving 50% weightage to written test and giving 50% weightage to interview. One more thing, there is qualifying marks or cutoff marks in Part A and Part B. In both cases, the qualifying marks is 50% for unreserved category and 40% for reserved category. So this is all. Thank you for listening and have a nice day and best wishes for the exam.